Hello, this is our latest cabinet in our range. It has the ability to take the very largest machines, but in the smallest space. So it's exciting because it's like a modular kind of idea. There are two other units that can sit alongside this, but you don't have to get those. You can have those at a later date or at the same time. But the key thing about this is that it doesn't have to really get much bigger in order for you to get to your biggest machine. So if we're talking of the very big ones, we're talking of the big Genomes, so the Continental, the M7, M8, and the big brothers. So if we're talking the Luminaire or the new Husqvarna, the Epic 3, all fit in here with a breeze. Or you can take smaller machines. So you could have this kind of model, have it with a smaller machine or your machine at the moment, and you kind of future-proof yourself if you have it in mind that you are going to get one of these bigger machines. Okay, so let's dive in. To open it, you have a bifolding door. This opens to the side and then slots in out of the way. So you can see now that it doesn't get any wider. So you could have somewhere in mind that you can fit it into your room, and this has the ability to slot in there, or obviously, like I said, you can add to it with these other units. Okay, this is the opening here. So this is our Super Maxi opening. So that allows you, well, in fact, you can see the kind of size of the opening here. That gives you an idea of the kind of machines that it will fit. And you have a storage area for your insert as well as this top filler down the back here. So if we take out the insert, just so we can have a look at that in a minute, with the sewing machine, this can store down here, out of the way. Okay. So it's got a power lift to raise, very easy to use, up down button, and you can have 3 preset positions. So if you had a few machines, you could get, say, another inset. So you could get, say, 2 insets, and you could use them in preset positions for each machine. So to raise it up, it's very easy. You just press the up button, and it raises up. And like I said, it lifts the machines with ease, even these very, very heavy ones. And it will come up and it will stop in this preset position. So this position is set for this, where we slot that in. And that just drops in around there. So now that whole area is level with the arm. Storage to the side here. So these are removable shelves. So you can take those shelves out and put in, say, something larger. You don't have to obviously use it for shelving. So they're dead easy to move. It doesn't get any bigger to either side, but you can open it to the back, which is very beneficial with these big machines. If you have these, say, embroidery hoops and things, or you have a lot of fabric behind, so to take up that weight, it has that ability to do that. So it's a double leg support for strength. So that's one side, and then we have the other side. So you can see now that this whole area is incredibly solid. It's all on casters, so it's easy to move around. And those casters are lockable should you need to. If we want to then raise this up to the top, so imagine you don't have to have the back up, but that's should you need it. Raising up to the top, we just remove that inset and then press the up button again. And it comes up to the very top position. You see it's a lovely, smooth, powerful rise. And this gives you the ability to get to the free arm of your machine, and you can see the amount of access that you have for your legs. I mean, this whole, I could do with a seat, but this whole area has a lot of freedom with the very biggest machines, but in a very compact size. Now to put it away, you just press the down button, and it goes down. Now it will go to that preset position, because you might want to do that, or if you want to go down all the way, you press again, and away it goes. Now you don't have to finish it, let it finish rather, to the very bottom or the very top. You can override that by pressing the button to stop it. So, if there was, say, another position that you wanted, it's very easy to do that. So, I hope you like it. We're very excited about it. Thanks for watching.